So in terms of this AI and Gen AI and everything that is out there, so I mean, there are so many tools out there that claim to do this and that, and so I mean, again, are those helpful? Are those misleading? So how
You
do you
know,
feel about
I don't know that I've seen anything that has really melted my face off just yet. I think
it?
that I've seen people come to me and they've used AI tools and they haven't
Mhm.
raised money. And then when we put the human element into it, their deck gets better. I don't, I think that like AI is at a point where it's grabbing what's out there. It's doing its best job to create information. But at the point we're at, I haven't seen anything that's like producing a finished deck. There still needs to be an understanding of how to position your startup so it makes sense for investors. There needs to be an understanding of the right information, and it's very difficult for AI to extract that information from the founders. A lot of times, if I'm working with the founder to build their deck, I'm extracting the information from them. I'm pulling the information, and I do it from the standpoint of an investor. What would I want to know? What do I need to pull out of them? How do I need to push them and challenge them to give me the right information so that we can create a compelling case of why this startup should be funded? And that's something that I don't see AI doing right now.